Why is nobody talking about custom-made crochet hooks? Today, I'm going to be unboxing my custom-made crochet hooks that I got from Nico at Kooky Clay. Wow, look at this. Let's do it now. Yay! 25% off! Look at the little stickers I got. So adorable. Aww! Thank you. I love tea so much. And this is actually one of my favorites. I love it. Oh, another freebie. Oh my goodness. These are some stitch markers. Let's open it. So here's the first one. Here's the second one. So cute. And these are the last three. Look at the little design on them. Look at the little mushrooms. Love it. The moment we've been waiting for. So this is also going to be a surprise for me because I haven't seen the crochet hooks completed yet. We only talked about mainly was the shape of the crochet hooks that I wanted, and that I loved fern leaves, flowers, autumn, and I sent her some of my favorite colors as well, a little color palette. And then she made the crochet hooks, but I haven't seen it yet. So I'm pretty excited to see it. So which one should we do first? Maybe the middle one? All right, let's do this one. I'm actually so nervous. I don't know why I'm so nervous. Oh, it's here. I can see it. Are we ready? 1, 2. Stop it. This is the 6mm. Whoa. No way. This is so me. And here's the proof. Look how I'm dressing and look at this crochet hook. Let me show you a close up. Stop everything. Look at this crochet hook. This is 1000% me. Oh, so comfy. Look at all the details. So beautiful. Look at this little flower here. Oh, wow. And here's the crochet hook. And I can see right here, the fern leaves that I told her that I loved. And she said that she was going to add it. That is so nice. It's so autumnal, in which is perfect for the upcoming months and season. You know me, right? You know me? No way, look at this. The round stitch markers actually match the crochet hook. So it's the same design. That is so thoughtful. Oh my goodness. I cannot believe it. Now I have matching stitch markers to use with my crochet hook. I cannot believe it. I love it. Which one next? This one? Oh, this is a smaller crochet hook. Ah, beautiful. This is a 3mm. Look at the beautiful design on this one. And look at the beautiful finishing detail of this crochet hook. It's absolutely stunning. Now let's check it out. The last one. So this is a 5mm. Look at this. I am absolutely in love with these crochet hooks. So here's a little close-up on the 5mm. So these are the three together. How beautiful. What a lovely set. I have to order all the others now. I am absolutely in love. Even though they have the same design, they don't look the same. Look at that. So beautiful. And now a little bit of the backstory. I'm pretty sure you've seen this sunflower crochet hook. It's also from Nico. I wanted to order some more, but this time in my favorite crochet hook shape, in which is this flat one here. And based on my favorite crochet hook, in which is this one here, I sent her all the pictures, all the measurements, and then she made these beautiful custom-made crochet hooks. And these flat handle crochet hooks, they work perfectly for both the knife grip and the pencil grip. So if you are looking for a very comfy crochet hook, then you should try these ones. And because they are made of polyclay, they feel super cozy when you're holding it. They are super nice and smooth. It's not slippery, not sweaty. And they also feel super nice and warm when you're holding it, in which I love. And so kindly, Nico made a discount code so I could share with you guys. So here's a discount code if you want to make your own custom made crochet hooks. So go ahead and talk to her and use your discount code. Thank you so much, Nico, for making these incredible crochet hooks. I just love them so much. So yeah, now I'm gonna go and choose my next project so I can use my new crochet hooks. Bye!